Corfu is one of the most cosmopolitan Mediterranean destinations, casting a powerful hold on its tourists with its rich multicultural heritage, historical landmarks, breathtaking natural scenery, crystal clear seas and wonderful weather all year round. Although the island has changed over the years, we can still sense the spirit of a long gone golden past. Unlike the rest of the Greece, Corfu, Kerkyra in Greek, was never subject to Ottoman rule. The island has predominantly integrated into the Western rather than the Levantine world as a result of the various dominances of the Venetians, the French and the British over the ages. Their culture had a significant impact on the city. The Ionian Academy, the first Philharmonic Orchestra and the first School of Fine Arts were all established here. Corfu's tourism industry is well developed and perfect for all types of holidaymakers, including couples, families and young travelers who like a lively nightlife. The well-known Green Island is endowed with picturesque landscapes made up of coves, infinite beaches, lush hills and forests. The stunning towns of Corfu, which are frequently favored by tourists for their summer vacations, are among them. Numerous well-known figures in politics, the arts and literature were born in Corfu. Corfu tourism has been advancing in terms of agriculture during the past few years. Local creative traditions were successfully adapted to the Renaissance, Baroque and classical repertoire in the immaculately preserved Old Town of Corfu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Palaces, fortifications, and austere public structures from the era of Venetian dominance harmoniously coexist with rows of clotheslines drying in little lanes and private squares. You'll feel as though you've traveled to Genoa or Naples as you stroll through the so-called Cantunia, a collection of winding cobblestone lanes with stairways and arched vaults. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Despite being in the northwest of the nation, Corfu may be reached by numerous Greek island hopping packages from other locations. The nearby island of Paxi can be reached from Corfu in just 1 hour by ferry, making it a very handy hub. However, charter flights are available from Corfu to the islands of Kefalonia and Zakynthos throughout the summer, allowing travelers to combine these vacation locations. Greece yacht rental is a fantastic opportunity to see the Greek islands and experience the natural beauty and rich culture of the nation. This is a place to go if you want to rent a sailing or motor yacht in Corfu. In Corfu, there are a wide selection of both sailing and power yachts. There are a lot of churches, and one of them is the Church of St. Spyridon, the island's patron saint whose remains are stored here. is the largest and most majestic one in the city. The church's incredibly tall bell tower can be compared to San Giorgio dei Greci in Venice. Every year there are 4 processions in which the body of Saint Spyridon is carried through the city streets, on Palm and Easter Sunday, on April 11th and the first Sunday in November. The processions are accompanied by all of the city's Philharmonic bands, providing an amazing spectacle. Everyone should travel to Corfu because it is heaven on earth.